If you are looking for results like this on your trading account, you have come to the right place. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be running through one of my favorite Forex strategies on the site tradingview.com. The main indicator in our strategy is a hidden gem in the world of trading, and we will be backtesting the strategy to see our profitability. Without further ado, let's set up our chart. First, head over to Indicators and type Smart Forex Buy Sell Signal by Lukas. We are also going to be needing two more indicators to help with entries using this indicator. Type in EMA, and let's add this one here. Next, type in ATR Stop Loss Finder. Okay, now that is done, let's change some settings. First, head over to the EMA options and click Inputs. Let's change our length to 200. Next, go to Style and change the color of the line to white, and switch the thickness to the third option. Okay, now for the Forex buy and sell signals. Although the indicator offers a lot of banners for weak buying and selling power, we are only looking for the strong buy and sell banners for our strategy today. So let's head over to Style and remove all the boxes except for the strong buy and strong sell. As for the bar option, you can uncheck this box, change the colors, or keep them as default. For today, we will keep these settings on default, but it is completely up to you. Now that we have finished adjusting our settings, let's run through what each indicator does and how it will help us. The exponential moving average is a type of moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. This indicator is going to be used to determine what type of trades we take, either long or short. I will explain this later in our trade examples. Our ATR Stop Loss Finder is using the average true range to determine where our stop loss level will be, for short positions, or for long positions. In our strategy today, we will be using this on valid entry candles to place our stop loss in the correct position. And lastly, our Forex buy sell signals uses an algorithm and a large variety of technical analysis indicators, all built into one, to create accurate entries for our trades. A buy signal will be colored in green, and our sell signals will be colored in red. Okay, now that we have described the uses of our indicators, let's run through some long examples. Our requirements for long positions are this. First, our candles must always be above the 200 EMA colored in white. Secondly, our Smart Forex indicator must have printed a strong banner, in green. If both requirements are met, then we can take a long position at the close of the valid candle. We use our ATR Stop Loss Finder to place our stop loss like so. And for this strategy, we are going to be targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Okay, let's run through one more long example. Both requirements are met here too. Our chart is above the 200 EMA. And our Smart Forex indicator has printed a green strong signal. So let's take a trade here. We set our stop loss at the ATR Stop Loss Finder, and we are targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Let's run through some shorts. The opposite requirements to our long positions are needed here. Our chart must be below the 200 EMA, colored in white. And our Smart Forex indicator must have printed a strong banner, colored in red. If the requirements are met, we can take a short position. We set our stop at the ATR Stop Loss Finder, and we are targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5, just like the long positions. Okay, let's run through one more short position, and then we will backtest our strategy to check its profitability. Just like before, our requirements have been met. The chart is below the 200 EMA in white, and the Smart Forex indicator has printed a strong banner colored in red. Let's take a short at the close of the valid candle. We set our stop at the ATR Stop Loss Finder. And we target a risk-to-reward of 1 to 1.5. Now that we have run through some examples, let's test our strategy and see if it is effective. I backtested this strategy 200 times, on the Forex pair Australian dollar to US dollar, 1-hour chart. I risked 2% per trade, starting on a $1,000 account, and my risk-to-reward ratio was fixed at 1 to 1.5. Let's run through these numbers here. Our final profit after 200 trades was a massive $20,657, which puts our gain on account at over 65%, with our win rate ending at a nice 71.5%. Our best winning streak was 11 and our worst losing streak was 4. Traders must realize when using buy and sell signal indicators like this one, that it is tempting to just buy or sell whenever you see the signals. But we should never blindly follow them, otherwise we will lose a lot of money. As for our smart Forex indicator here, the signals are good, but this indicator can never be used on its own. We get a lot of fake signals taking place, and so our 200 EMA helps deduct this issue. No matter how good the movement looks for a long position, we should never buy below the 200 EMA. And no matter how bearish the market looks, we should never take a short when the price is above the 200 EMA. Sticking to your strategy rules is very important. As it says in the indicator, we should only really be using this strategy for Forex. Any major currency pair is a good choice. If you are looking for products like this to trade, head over to the bottom left of your screen and click on Forex Screener. Once you are there, head over to the top right and switch your filter settings to major pairs only. Any of these products will be adequate to trade with this strategy. Another thing to add for this strategy is that I highly recommend you trade this on the 1 hour time frame. My results have been the best on the 1 hour, but if you desire another time frame, we can change this in our Smart Forex indicator settings. Simply head over to the settings and go to Inputs. In the time frame drop-down menu, switch to the time frame you wish to trade on, and the indicator will adjust its entries for you automatically. Anyways traders, I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something from it. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Good luck, and I will see you all in the next video.